Now this is another comical thing from the bottom of a box, and you know, it's the sort of thing that model rail enthusiasts wince and say, how awful. You know, I have no idea what it's supposed to be. It's a toy train. And it's fair to say that when I first put it on the track, it didn't want to go because the flimsy little motion rods on the side were bent. So a bit of judicious straightening. And yeah, what is it? Well, it's a toy train that doesn't like that bit of track for some reason. Well, perhaps after dinner we'll have a look at doing some track work. We might, or it depends whether it starts to rain or not.